Hi everyone, welcome to the next technique on integration for JCH2 Maths. And in this technique, I shall cover how do we integrate exponential function. Okay, exponential function. Okay, you have learned in your secondary school that integrate e to the power ax plus b is equals to 1 over a times e to the power ax plus b, right? Okay, so for example, if you want to integrate e to the power of 2x, okay, the answer is basically just half. Okay, you bring down the 2, you get half times e to the power of 2x plus c. Okay, you can recall that you learned this before. Okay, and now in JC, this formula can be further stretched to something like this. Integrate of f prime x times e to the power fx dx. Okay, that means when we differentiate the power, you get the outside thing over here, the derivative over here. The answer is basically just e to the power fx plus c. Okay, I know this is quite similar to the one which you learned earlier, the standard formula. Okay, so let's look at some examples over here. Alright, so I want to integrate x e to the power x squared dx. Okay, so you treat x squared as the fx over here. Alright, you treat your x squared over here as my fx. So when I differentiate x squared, what do I get? I get 2x. Alright, so I need to put a 2 here, and I need to put a half outside to balance it, right? So this will be my f prime x. Okay, so when you differentiate the power, you get the derivative outside. The answer is just half, the half is outside, times e to the power x squared plus c. Okay, alright, so once again, this is something new that is being tested in A-level. Alright, so when you integrate f prime x times e to the power fx, the answer is just e to the power fx plus c. Alright, so perhaps I can show more example. I want to integrate, say, sine 2x e to the power of sine square x dx. Okay, now this is a bit more tricky. Alright, so we can do it slowly first. So this is my fx. Alright, so I ask myself, right, when I differentiate sine square x, what I get? Okay, you can recall that first step, bring down the power. So the 2 bring it down, become 2 sine x. The power drop by 1. Okay, so become 1 over here. And you must multiply by the derivative of sine x, right? You must differentiate sine x. So this is your chain rule. Alright, so differentiate sine x, you get cosine x. Okay? And if you look at your formula list, alright, this is exactly the same as sine 2x. Okay, the double angle, right? 2 sine x cosine is sine 2x, which is the same as this. Can you see? Alright, so you're all good to go, right? Because this is my fx and this is my f prime x. Okay, so my final answer will be e to the power of sine square x plus c. Okay. Alright, so now there's another variation of this formula. Okay, that is what happens when this number here is not e, right? It's not exponential. Okay, for example, the number over here is a 2 or 3, right? So the formula is still the same, except that outside you need to times 1 over ln a. Alright, this is due to the changing of base in the logarithm law. Alright, so for example, okay, I want to integrate, say for example, x, then 3 to the power of 1 minus x squared. Okay, dx. Alright, so now, okay, basically you still treat this as a fx over here. Alright, so you still treat the power over here as a fx. Okay, so when you differentiate, alright, 1 minus x squared, what do you get? You'll get minus 2x. Right, because differentiate 1 is 0 and differentiate my x squared is minus 2x. So I'll need to put a minus 2 in front. And to balance the thing, I'll need to put a minus half outside. Okay, so make sense? So now you have the f prime x on outside, right? Okay, so you can apply the formula now. But do take note that this is a 3 and not an e. So you need to multiply this in front, right? So the final answer will be minus half, because due to the minus half here, times 1 over ln 3, okay, because there's a 3 here, then times the same thing behind, right, which is 3 to the power 1 minus x squared plus c. Okay, so you simplify this further, so you get minus 1 over 2 ln 3, then times 3 to the power of 1 minus x squared plus c. Okay, and this will be my final answer.